Jimmy. Today I'll talk about the most memorable vacation. Did you have the most memorable vacation? My most memorable vacation is when I went to Japan. That was great. I have 3 reasons to support my opinion. My first reason is that schedule was very good. This is because I went to the Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree, Asakusa, Sensoji, Tokyo Station, Itoya Stationery Store, and Shibuya Scramble Crossroad. I went to the lots of places. My second reason is Japan food was very good. This is because of fish-shaped bun, curry, cup noodle, ramen, omurice, pork cutlet, and egg. My last reason is Japanese language is fun. This is because hello is konnichiwa, thanks is arigatou gozaimasu. That's pronunciation is fun. In conclusion, I have the 3 reasons. That's about my most memorable vacation. That was Japan. Thank you for listening my presentation.